Hello folks, this is Johnny again and welcome to my mixing contest. Hosted by me, and prizes are being provided by Mercuriall. Yes, the Mercuriall. So, right away, what you gotta do. First of all, some shameless self-promotion. So please subscribe to my channel and also give Mercuriall's Facebook page a like. Then, next step is download the tracks that you will be mixing. The link is in the description. Mix the song, and once it's done, please upload it to a site so I can stream it. Okay, so I don't want to have to download stuff. Then send me the link to stream it to the email address fortioricontest@gmail.com. And if you're wondering why a streaming website for a mixing contest, wouldn't you want to have uncompressed WAV files? Well, when you know what you're doing, it's not going to be a problem, really. The tip I can give you is just lower the output of your whole mix by 1 dB, and then you will have enough headroom for that compression process, because usually you lose a little bit of headroom when it's getting compressed, and that is what can cause some problems. So, but otherwise, it's going to be totally fine for me to determine or to distinguish a good mix from a less good mix, okay? So, because of that, it also doesn't really matter what streaming website you want to choose. Be it YouTube, be it SoundCloud or SoundClick, even Dropbox can stream, Mediafire can stream, so yeah, doesn't really matter to me. Just stream a link, I don't want to have to download a whole bunch of stuff. You will have time until September the 15th to send me the song. That gives you about 4 weeks, should be plenty to mix one song. What you can win are all 3 major amp simulation plugins by Mercuriall. So that's the U530, Spark, and Reaxis. And considering they are all equally good, just different, I thought it doesn't really make sense to make a first prize, second prize, and third prize out of those. So winner will get it all. Everybody else will enjoy my commentary on their mixes. So throughout the whole process, I will make videos in which I will check out the mix and give my thoughts on them. That means if you want to know that I'm currently in a video talking about your mix and not someone else's, I would also need your name. So that in the video I can say, hey, this mix is by this guy, let's check it out. And if you don't want me to say your actual name, then give me your nickname or whatever, I don't know. I don't even care, okay? Just something so you know I'm talking about your mix. Alrighty, and I will be looking forward to your stuff. I hope this goes well so I don't sit here with just a handful of mixes, and I hope it also doesn't go too well that I will be sitting here with 1,000 mixes, okay? So we'll just see how it goes. Just send me in what you got and we'll check it out. And of course, everybody just gets one mix, okay? So please don't send me multiple mixes, and don't just make up a couple of different random email addresses and then send me multiple mixes pretending that you are actually different people, and when it's only just one. Perhaps I shouldn't have said that. Now I gave you an idea, right? Alright, then have fun mixing.